Wagwan people, you don't know say the Patwa News Network, you know, the baddest news network on the planet, you know, if you ask Christ, you see me? Alright, you know, people, we have a new program on the network, you know. The one named YAADMAN Sports in a minute, you see me? Alright, you know, we just like a chop the whole of sport news and we're making you know what's going on. So first thing right you know, people, the reggae man them, cause them man a boy no more, I go take on CHAPO and the rest of the federalists them tonight and the 9 o'clock bells on the Thursday, people. And I want to make you know say yo, if you're there find if you go match out that time there. Alright, you know, if you want to watch it, if you watch it on the Slow Sports app or on the Slow Sports TV, I want to make you know say if you're there find if you go match out the station too. But people, I make you know say you know, we get the whole away English baseball of them, you know. But none of them now play tonight, people, because you want to know say you know, UK lock down the thing, red flag the thing. From Mexico, you see me in the COVID-19 things. But one thing I want to tell you, you know, whether I with more or with less of the English ball, them that not top a thing. Because right now, we're going to dig off the Mexican federalists and booty people because of war. You see me, because we have to reach Qatar. You don't know. Shericka, aka dengue fever, aka bingo. I go there in a Diamond League 200 meter tomorrow, you know, people. But in 7 AM bells are them thing, they are Brussels, you see me? Alright, you know, people, all the Jamaica, I go there at the Diamond League, but I make you know, say, yo, bingo race, I go be the baddest. Cause right, you know, Miss chatting about herself. Patty Crumbs, I go in the race, people. And probably I wonder who me I call Patty Crumbs. I'm supposed to match that out easy, people. Patty Crumbs are normally the thing we left back. Patty Crumbs are normally the thing we get nyam last. So I don't know who Patty Crumbs is, people. But right now, I beg you, bingo. I know you're tired in a bingo. I beg you to say, burn off that booty in a bingo. I know probably I wonder why me I call Shericka bingo, you know. Remember, so she never want to wear the panty, you know, people. Our Jamaicans call panty. So she no must name bingo, man. Catch on quicker than that, people. But you don't know the YAADMAN Sports and that's how we are going to deal with it same speed outside.